Hi there. We just going to test one of this air pressure pump which we bought it from Kmart about 1.5 years ago in 25 bucks I guess, or maybe 20. So I'm just going to turn this on and see if it's going to fill up this flat tire. Let's see. So as the tire is already the pump is already connected to tire, so I'm going to just plug this to my cigarette lighter here and see it's, and as you can see it's on now, but seems like generating no pressure. Well, we'll give it some time and we'll see, and I'll let you know guys if it's gonna work or not. So in about 20 minutes I was able to fill up to 40-pound pressure in this tire, and keep in mind it was completely a flat tire, so at least now I can take this car to a tire repair shop for the puncture. It does fairly a good job without starting the car, and 15-20 minutes, not that bad, and it just cost me 15 bucks I guess. Been sitting there since really long time. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.